This is Sugar. She's my mom's dog. She's very, very tired. She's a Chihuahua. She's like 6 or 7 now. She's so cute. She's trying to go to sleep, but I'm bothering her. Look at her cute little face. Look at your cute. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, you're so cute, aren't you? Not as cute as my dog, but you're still cute. No, look, what are you doing? Oh, she's getting mad. Say good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. Gonna go to bed? She's so sweet. Okay, I woke her up now. I have to get her back to go to sleep. Oh. This is how Chihuahuas sleep. Say goodbye. Bye. She's tired. Good night.